First, add your clips into the timeline and pre-compose them. Apply the linear wipe effect to the top layer. Set the wipe angle to 180 degrees. Then set your first keyframe for transition completion at 100% and move forward a few frames and set the second keyframe to 0%. Now select both keyframes and choose Easy Ease. After that, open the value graph and adjust the curve to match mine. Once that's done, pre-compose both layers again. Now apply S-Blur, Mo curves to this new comp. Now, go inside the pre-comp again and enable motion blur for the layer. Also, make sure motion blur is enabled on the main timeline. After that, open the pre-comp one more time and add a shake effect to the layer with the linear wipe. Lastly, add your color correction or grading on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.